Have you ever heard the phrase bring your A game and wondered what it means? As English learners, understanding common idioms like this can really boost your communication skills. Let me share a funny story that shows how easy it is to misunderstand this idiom. My friend Samantha thought it meant to literally bring a sports jersey with the letter A on it to an important event. She showed up to her job interview wearing her old high school basketball jersey. And needless to say, it didn't go over well. So, what does bring your A game actually mean? It's an idiom that refers to giving your absolute best effort or performance. Bringing your top skills and abilities to a situation. Let me give you an example of how to use it correctly. When my friend Samantha had to give an important presentation at work, she knew she had to bring her A game. She spent extra time preparing, practiced her delivery, and delivered a flawless performance that impressed her boss and colleagues. Here are some more examples of how you can use bring your A game in different contexts. In a casual conversation, you really brought your A game to that pickup basketball game. In a formal setting, the CEO expects us to bring our A game to the big client meeting. In a negative context, I didn't bring my A game to the exam, and my score reflects that. In a humorous context, my grandma may be 90, but she still brings her A game to the weekly bingo tournament. Think of the an A game as representing excellent or top quality. It's a great visual aid to connect the idiom to its true meaning. Did you know this idiom became popular in the late 20th century? Particularly in sports contexts, to describe delivering your best performance? This idiom reflects the value placed on high performance and achieving one's full potential. Over time, people started using it not just in sports, but in business, academics, and other areas where excellence is valued. Some similar idioms you might encounter include give it your all, go the extra mile, and pull out all the stops. On the opposite end, phoning it in or mailing it in would mean the opposite of bringing your A game. And related idioms could include bring your A+ game or bring your A+ effort. For example, I could say, I really brought my A game to that presentation. Or I could rephrase it as, I gave that presentation my absolute best effort and attention to detail. I remember when my colleague Alex had to give an important sales pitch to a new client. He knew he had to bring his A game to seal the deal. Alex spent extra time researching the client's needs, practiced his pitch multiple times, and delivered a flawless presentation that impressed the client and landed the contract. One common mistake is using bring your A game with the wrong preposition. Like saying bring in your A game instead of bring your A game. Another mistake is thinking it means to literally bring a physical item, like Samantha did with the basketball jersey. And you wouldn't want to use bring your A game in a situation that's not important or high stakes. That would be inappropriate. Alright, let's test your understanding with a few quiz questions. 1. What does the idiom bring your A game mean? A. Wear your best sports jersey. B. Give your absolute best effort. C. Arrive on time. 2. Which of these is a synonym for bring your A game? A. Phone it in. B. Go the extra mile. C. Slack off. 3. Which of these is an antonym for bring your A game? A. Bring your A+ game. B. Phoning it in. C. Giving it your all. Well, there you have it. Now you know the meaning, usage, and cultural context behind the common English idiom bring your A game. Understanding idioms like this can really take your English communication skills to the next level. I'd love to hear from you. Share a time when you had to bring your A game. Or let me know if you have any other questions about English idioms. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English lessons.